Hello, this is a recording for Sunday, January 18th. Today's practice is titled Triple Scoop Back Tension Release. It is designed to help you gently release back tension in 3 steps. For the purposes of this practice, get comfortable sitting as tall as you can. Maybe you're sitting on the floor, on a couch, on a chair. If you feel you're slouching or your lower back is not comfortable, take maybe a folded blanket, a little cushion or yoga block under your sits bones, not your thighs though. This can help you release tension from your hips and back, allowing you to sit tall a little bit more easily. And once you get comfortable, we're going to go into part 1 of this practice. Rest your hands on your knees or thighs, whatever feels okay with your back. Hanging onto your thighs or knees, pull your elbows back a little, pressing your chest forward. Not exaggerating, but just a little movement. Hanging a little bit onto your thighs or knees, wherever your hands are. Pull your elbows back, and that allows you to take your chest forward a little bit. And now cave in your chest, rounding your back. As you inhale, lift your chest again, open it up, kind of doing cat-cows, but seated. Hold this lifted chest, opening, and then as you exhale, round your chest one more time and hold for 1, 2, 3. Now let's do the opposite. Hanging your hands onto your thighs or knees, pull your elbows back, pressing your chest forward, but this time exhale here. So you lift your chest, opening up a little bit through your chest, exhale. And as you inhale, cave in your chest, rounding your back. As you exhale, lift your chest, opening up. And as you inhale, round your chest. Do it one more time, and we're going to hold on in each position. As you exhale, open your chest, hold 1, 2, 3. And as you inhale, round your back as much as you can and hold 1, 2, 3. Good job. Release that. We're going to go into part 2 of the exercise. Now, keeping your hands on your knees or thighs, whatever is comfortable, move your ribs, but not your shoulders, to the right and slightly up. So kind of moving your ribs right and up, but shoulders stay where they are. And now slide your ribs, but not your shoulders, over to the left and slightly up. Now we're going to do it with a hold. Ribs slide to the right and up, and you hold for 1, 2, 3. Ribs slide over to the left and up. Shoulders stay put. You hold for 1, 2, 3. To the right. 1, 2, 3. To the left. 1, 2, 3. And now back to center and just check in. How are you feeling now? How is your back? And we're going to move on to part 3 of the exercise. Sitting tall, hands are still on your knees or thighs, whichever is more comfortable. Lean your torso forward and tailbone lifting back a little bit. Now lean to the right. Lean back, tailbone tucks under, and lean left. Back to the front, tailbone lifting. Drawing slow circles with your torso clockwise 3 times. And now reverse, circling counterclockwise 3 times. And when you're done, return to center and note how you're feeling. Take some nice, satisfying breaths in and out, allowing each exhale to soften and release effort from your back just a little bit more. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to check in with your back from time to time, and if you detect any tension, see if you can release it with this 3-step method. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.